Hi friends, welcome to the Tarot Space and welcome to the weekly reading. This week's reading will be from this Monday to next Monday. Okay, so what I feel is that currently right now, you're in a space where you're feeling very overwhelmed, like you're feeling very heavy hearted, like your thoughts are like making you feel very upset. You feel like justice is not being served to you. Maybe you're feeling like you're being wronged, whether it's work, whether it's in your relationships. You just feel like you know you are in, like the you're being wronged basically, right? Like you are in a space where the other person is not understanding you. You've been dealt a bad hand, you've been dealt a wrong hand. Basically, feeling like life is being unfair to you at this point of time. You feel like you will not get your dues, you will not get what you need to receive, right? So basically you're in a space where you feel like you're being wronged, and you feel like this will continue to happen. You feel like the truth may not come out, or you feel like this particular pattern will keep continuing, where you will always be at the receiving end of shit. That's basically what you're feeling when it comes to a new way of being, a new way of thinking. You feel like that's not going to happen. You feel like the place that you're stuck in, the thoughts that are making you feel very upset, the thoughts that are making you feel very sad are going to continue. So you're basically in this space right now. However, emotionally you will be leaving the space. Okay, so emotionally there will be a chance for you to walk away from the space that you are in right now. There will be a space where you can go and get that stability that you really want. You will be in a space where you will start to grow emotionally, where you start to actually understand what things are. Maybe right now when you're feeling like life is being unfair to you, and that things may not change, is just your thoughts taking control of you. It's just your thoughts running havoc. The fact that you feel like this new way of understanding things, being, feeling, communicating may not come, is basically just you stopping yourself from feeling that. Because once you actually start to understand, once you start to feel and believe that you can move away from things. Because right now, I mean, yeah, I know, what, it sometimes does feel really shitty when you see other people do better than you, and you feel like life's being unfair. But then the thing is that life is not being unfair. Life is just teaching you what you need to look at. And if you are in a place that you can be aware and not given to these thoughts, right? If you can actually start to tap into your emotions, you will be in a space where you can be like, okay, this is what I need to learn, this is what I need to look into. Like the more that we get out of this victim state, the more that we get out of this things are not working out for me, like why me, poor me, all of that state. When you start to actually start seeing it as lessons, then you start to shift. Because the more that you stay in the state that you are, where you say, what, life is being unfair to you, it will continue to be that way. So for you to get out of this space, you need to start tapping into your emotions. You have to start feeling your way through things. You need to say, okay, this is the lesson I need to learn, and learn it and move on. Because when you move on from it, when you leave that emotional space, so that you leave these thoughts behind, you'll be in this beautiful space where you start to grow. You'll be having better connections with people. You'll be emotionally stable. Do not have your extreme highs and lows. You will be in a place where you'll create partnership when it comes to money. I mean, it's so beautiful, because this is connected to your growth in money and in abundance. You will be in a space where you can start moving towards creating that abundance. You'll be in a place where you start having partnerships that support this creation of abundance, and you will just see growth in abundance in money. You will just see this beautiful support coming your way. The minute that you get out of the space, you'll have this beautiful intent. You will be able to charge towards making your dreams a reality, and you will get that support, and you will then grow. So the only thing that's stopping you from growing is you yourself. So why don't you just see every situation from a different angle, extract yourself from whatever situation is going on, see how the situation can benefit you, see how you need to change your way of looking at things. and the minute that you start doing that, all of this will start, changing, shifting, and coming to light. So yeah, guys, this is your reading for the week. I hope that this resonates with you. I know that this is not a live, so if you guys have any questions, any doubts, please do leave a comment, or you can DM me, whatever you want to do, and I could, of course, clarify any questions that you may have. And yeah, I really hope that you use this and this helps you in a way that you can start to see things and use every not good experience in a way to just better your life. Stay happy and stay well, and I will see you guys next week.